we have solved the problem. Well, he solved the problem for hiccups. I've tried lemonade, water, standing on my head, drinking shit through not literal shit, but, you know, water and shit. I'm not shit, you know, stuff through a straw and stuff like that. And my son, I had the hiccups before, and he gave me lemonade, which normally works because I just burp the shit out. I mean, the hiccups out, not shit, literally. And then water, all that other stuff. But what he taught me to do to stop my hiccups
is to put your hands on your head and then put your head down like this, and it will actually help and stop your hiccups.
And it did. Once I did this, no more hiccups.
My mum was going like, ah, ah, and then
no, it was more like
yeah. And when I taught her this, it actually stopped it.
It did. Didn't have one more hiccup after that. Not one. So, you know your hiccups are in your diaphragm, right?
Yeah. Looks
so
like
for some reason,
in your belly, but okay.
Yeah, your diaphragm's over here.
Yeah.
Right there.
Yeah.
So for some reason, when you do this and down, it stopped my hiccups.
Yeah. It's a weird way to stop it.
You'd think so, but it worked. It actually worked. Normally, when I drink lemonade, bam, hiccups are gone because I just burp all the air out. Or I have a drink of water, or I try and drink water through a straw or something like that. Worked. But this time the lemonade didn't work, the water didn't work, the straw didn't work, but...
Well, it's not lemonade, it's Sprite, basically.
Well, it's the same thing.
Yeah.
But for some odd reason, this little dude told me to do this, and it worked.
Yeah.
So, if you've got the hiccups pretty bad, give it a go and see how you get on.
Yeah.
Right, little man?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Done.
Yeah. Bye-bye.